ARC-363NG versus ARC-393NG rice cookers compared for features, performance, and everyday kitchen value. We are comparing capacity, cooking consistency, design, and real-world usability side by side. Both are popular Aroma models, but they target slightly different cooking needs. Starting with ARC-363NG, this model focuses on simplicity and dependable daily rice cooking. The inner pot feels sturdy, with clear measurement markings for consistent results. Controls are straightforward, using a simple one-touch cook and warm operation. This makes it ideal for users who want no learning curve at all. Cooking performance stays consistent, producing evenly cooked rice without frequent stirring. The automatic keep warm function prevents overcooking for extended serving times. Build quality feels reliable, though design remains fairly traditional and utilitarian. It suits budget-conscious buyers who prioritize function over extra features. Overall, ARC-363NG delivers solid basics without unnecessary complexity. This model supports multiple cooking tasks beyond standard white rice. Capacity remains practical, but the layout feels more compact and refined. It handles oatmeal, steaming, and mixed grains more confidently than simpler models. Design feels slightly more modern, fitting contemporary kitchens better visually. Learning curve is minimal, yet offers more flexibility for varied meals. ARC-393NG clearly targets users who want more than basic rice cooking. It feels like a natural upgrade for evolving home cooking needs. Between both, ARC-393NG delivers better versatility and long-term overall value. Choose ARC-363NG for simplicity, ARC-393NG for flexibility and smarter everyday cooking.